In this video, I'm going to show you how to add text in Krita. Now, the first thing you want to do when you open your document, you want to click on this T button top left inside this tool menu to actually open the text tool. If you can see it, you can go to Window and then Workspace and Default, and you should be able to see this. And then you can just click on Anywhere. It's going to place on this placeholder text. You can double click it and you can edit whatever you want. For example, hello there, etc. But what you could also do over here is the following. You can click on the text tool and you can just drag and basically draw out wherever you want the text to be, and this is also going to create like a text box. So if I type in, for example, hello there, how are you, as you can see, this is working. Okay, if I go and click on this button, which is the select shapes tool, I can go and move this around, I can change the size of it, etc. And that's kind of the basic editing of your text. If you want to change it, double click on it, and again you'll be able to edit your text just like you were when you created it for the first time. But if you want more options, which of course we like to have, you want to click on your text, then up top you can see settings, and if you go to Dockers, you want to enable this one, which is text properties. Now it's going to pop up like this, but if it doesn't, it should be somewhere in here on the right hand side, and then you can just like pop it out. So over here, if I click on it, as you can see, it's going to go to the bottom right. You can pop it out and actually see it over here on the side. So I can select my text here, and then I can go inside those properties. So let me actually open these settings, Dockers, and you want to go to text properties like that. And then here you can adjust your font size if you want to, like this. You could go and change everything regarding the paragraph. So I'm talking about the alignment, the font size again. Here you have the font family. So if you want to change it, you can do that very easily. You can click on any of these. It's going to change the font. You have the font styles, bold or regular. You can select line height, etc. You have the character, which again is font size, family, styles, and then you have the presets in case you have any. Now, of course, if you want to change the color, over here on the right, you have this color wheel, which you can use to actually change the color of your text as well. And that's basically how to add text in Krita. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.